Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about inserting at the specific location in the list. So we are going to insert a new node at a specific location. So this diagram will help you to understand. First, the existing list, 3 elements already present in it. The values are 4, 6 and 7. And the head contains the address of the first node and the last nodes next will be always null. So this is single linked list. In that, I want to insert at the specific location means as usual for insertion, we have to create the new node with the data 5 and its next part will be null. I created this new node. So I would like to insert at which position. I'm going to insert at the third position. So for example, this is position equal to 1, 2, 3. Third position means once I reach to 2, I have to insert this one. So how I have to insert this address will go here 4000 so that it will be connected to this one, and a new node should come here 5000 so that it will be connected in between this. After insertion, let us see how the diagram looks. Now you see here 4, 6, first position, second position. In the third position, we included this new node. Okay, it contains the next node address 4000 and this contains the 5000. So this is what the diagram explanation. Let us see the coding for that. Say this here. This is the function name insertion at position with the data. Two arguments I am passing. One is the data, that is 5, and another one is the position. At what position I have to insert at position 3. So two arguments I have to pass from the main function. Once from the main function, if you are calling, the control will come to here, then we have to proceed. So as you know well, for insertion, first we have to create the new node. As usual, first 4 lines for that only we created the new node, okay, with the 2 field, and then first field filled with the 5 and second field filled with a null as usual, okay, and its address is 5000 based on the diagram, okay. And next, suppose this operation is done for any specific location, but sometimes the user may choose first position also. For that, I have written here two cases I have discussed. One is if I want to insert at the first position. Already this we have discussed insert in the beginning, but though it is also possible in this insertion at the specific location. So if the position is equal to 1, then what I have to do? Listen carefully. So new node of next is equal to head. New node of next is equal to head. So head contains the address of the first node, that is 4. Suppose if I want to insert at the beginning means what I have to do? New nodes of next is equal to head. So this address will come here so that it will point here, okay. And next new node will become the head. So new node is assigned to head. So here it will become head. Once it is finished, it should come out of that. So return statement has written. So this is one case. Suppose no, I am going to insert at any position. Based on the diagram, third position I would like to insert. How it should be done? So that I have to reach the second position, then only I can do the insertion part. So here also I have to do the traversing part by using different condition. So for traversing, let us see here temp equal to head. This is the declaration part. First I have to assign temp is equal to head. And this is, as you know well, this is the traversing statement. Okay, until the condition fails, I have to go to the next, like that I have to move until I reach the exact position. So first one is, as I said, this is initialization of temp. What is that? I have to, from the head node only, I have to start. From the first node onwards, I have to start. So this is common and this statement is common. Only the condition I have changed because I should reach the specific location. So as I said in this case, position equal to 3. Up to 2 I have to move because after 2 I have to insert this node. So 2 means how I can consider position minus 1, I can get this 2, right? So that is what I is equal to 1. I am starting from the head node. This is 1. And then I less than position minus 1. Okay. I have to move up to 2. Okay. Along with that, one more condition I am going to check. Temp not equal to null. What is the meaning of that? I should not reach up to the end of the list. End of the list means temp value equal to null. So I should not go beyond the list. That's that temp not equal to null I plus plus. By using for loop, I have written the condition. two conditions at a time I am checking by using the logical AND operator. One is I value should reach the position one step before. Okay, I have to insert at 3 means I should reach up to 2. Okay, and next it should not go beyond the list. Two conditions I used here, and as usual the temp statement, the traversing statement is same, temp equal to temp of next. So how it is going to work now, listen carefully. So here we will go to the diagram and understand about it. How the traversing part will be working. Now listen, I have taken this variable temp. Its value is assigned head value is 2000. Okay, now it is also pointing here, and position equal to 1. Actually the position what I mentioned is 3, but how long I have to go? Up to second position I have to go. So position minus 1, that is 2. So I value less than 2. Okay, so now you see here I started I is equal to 1 now. Okay, I is equal to 1, I less than 2. Yes, 1 less than 2. Condition true, first condition. And the second condition is temp not equal to null. Now you see here temp value is 2000. So 2000 not equal to null. Yes, it is not equal to null. Both the conditions are true by using logical operator. The condition true. So if the condition is true, it will go inside the loop. For loop I have written inside the loop it will go. So temp equal to temp of next. This is the traversing statement, common statement. Okay, who is temp? This is temp. 2000 is temp. Its next is 3000. So 3000 is assigned to temp now. So what happened now? Instead of 2000, now it become 3000. So this link will be removed. It creates this link. It will point to 3000 now. So let us see here, this will be erased. So now it is 3000. Temp is pointing here, first step. And second, now it is over. Again it is going here. I value will be incremented as per the for loop. So I value previously 1, now it is incremented 2. 2 less than 2, the condition fails. And the temp not equal, once in the logical AND operation, one condition fail means it will not go inside the loop. What is the meaning? I reached the exact position where I have to include my new node. Okay, once I reached here, what condition I have to apply? Now you see 4000. In this place 5000 should come. Before that, here new node of next should be equal to 4000. Then only it will give link. Okay, so how to write this? I can write the statement like this: new node of next equal to, who is this? Temp. Temp of next. Now you see here temp of next is 4000. 4000 is assigned to new node of next. So here I mentioned 4000. So it is pointing here. First step I have done. And next in this place who should come? New node should come. How to write the statement? Temp of next equal to new node. What is the new node address? That is 5000. So here 5000 will come, so that it will give link to that. That's all. Okay, in this way the insertion at specific location is working. Let us see the coding again. So as I said, the two lines, first one, new node of next is equal to temp of next. After that, temp of next is equal to new node. So up to that our coding part will be done. So now let us see the animation part. Name of that function is insertion at the position with two arguments. One is the data what we are going to create, and another one is which position. Okay, first let us discuss with the position 1. So this is the existing list. 4, 6, 7 is there. Head contains the first node address. So here two cases. If part will move for position 1. If not, it will go to the middle position. Okay, specific location. Let us start this. First, position at, suppose position equal to 1 and data 3 to be inserted. How it is done? First 4 lines for insertion of the new node. We created the new node. Okay, and then data is filled, and the next field also filled with a null. Next to position equal to 1. Yes, the position equal to 1 means 3 should be inserted at a 4. What are the steps we have to do? New node of next is equal to head, that is 2000 should come here, so that it will go and insert before 4. Okay, and the next 3 will become the head. Okay, so head is equal to new node, that means 1000. Now you see here 1000 will go to head. Once it is finished, it will return and come out of the program. Okay, this is the first case. Next, Suppose not in the first position, I would like to insert in the another position. Now you see, as usual, 4, 6, 7 is there, head is pointing the same. Let us see how it is working. Position is third position. After 6, I have to insert the new node. So I created the new node and I filled the field. Now position is equal to 3. So this condition failed. So it will come out of that. Now I am assigning temp is equal to head value is 2000, and I am using that for loop. So by using the for loop condition, it is traversing temp is equal to temp of next. It reached the 3000. In this place, the condition failed because I is equal to 2, which is not less than 2. That's the reason we reached here. That is the exact place where I have to insert my new node. So it will come out of that. So here I have to change the addresses. So first what I have to do, new node of next is equal to temp of next. That is 4000 to be done here. And then temp of next is equal to new node, that is 5000. So I assigned. So in this way, insertion at a position is working. Now let us see the algorithm for this case. So first 3 step, the same thing. There is no change in the insertion at the beginning, insertion at the end, everything the same. First create the new node with the 2 field. First field filled with the data and the second field filled with the null. And next we are checking if the list is empty by using the same condition, head equal to null. If it is null, we have to set head equal to new node. So these 3 steps are similar. Next, if it is not null, then what I have to do, I have to create one temp pointer and initialize the value with the head, and the temp has to traverse step by, that means each node it has to traverse until it reach the specific location. For that we have written that for loop. So once it reached the particular location, then I have to do the insertion part. Suppose the specific location is not reached, we have lost, that means we reached the last node. So what is the meaning? Given node is not found in the list, so insertion not possible. Or otherwise, new node of next equal to temp of next, we have to assign, and a temp of next is equal to new node. This is the value we have to do it. So this is the algorithm part for insertion at the specific location. So we completed this third operation in the single linked list. I hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We will see in the next video.